is Terminal C, Parking C, and the train station.
We're now leaving
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor, everybody.
Terminal
Please
AB,
relax and enjoy your ride as we connect
traveling
from
on
State
the
Park Terminal C property.
shuttle
We will take you beyond
to
Orlando
Terminal C,
Whether it's just a
Brightline
ride or the party Orlando, we're glad you're here.
connection
Orlando is
station.
a place where imagination becomes reality at our world-class theme
This
parks.
beautiful
Throughout
Orlando International Airport,
sporting events and riding
home
sports.
of the fantastic
There's always something new.
amusement parks.
So whether you call Orlando home,
65 million people a
Orlando has
year
something for everyone.
visit here
Hope you enjoy
to
everything
enjoy the parks.
unbelievably.
And now Brightline train will match them with Miami. 50 million persons a year visiting Miami for business purpose, and cross-pollinating those two large groups enjoying Florida, so they're able to engage in both activities. This shuttle system is all brand new. The Brightline connecting terminal is all brand new, and it's just an amazing modern experience. We are so fortunate to have Brightline connecting South Florida with the Orlando International Airport. We're pleased to travel between the two for business purposes, and as you know, real estate development in all of Florida, especially South Florida and the Orlando area, is just at its highest and most exciting. So it makes everybody prosperous, makes everybody happy, and we're excited every day. Approaching Terminal C, Brightline Station. This is as modern as it gets. It's like many of the big international airports throughout the world, and we have them right here in our beautiful Florida climate. Entering the terminal now to connect with Brightline train service.
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. When the terminal link stops, please exit to Terminal C, Parking C, and the train station. The doors are now opening.
Welcome to
Please exit
Terminal
to
C.
Terminal C, Parking C, and the train station. Please watch your step.
Terminal C is that. You go to the train station or terminal?